Every year, millions of people set goals for a fresh start. But by the end of the month, nothing really changes. What if I told you that in just 2 minutes, you could unlock the secret to making this your most powerful month ever? Step 1. The intention shift. It all starts here. The first step is to shift your mindset. This month isn't just about routines, it's about growth. Take 30 seconds right now. Close your eyes. Visualize yourself 30 days from now. Do you want to feel the same? Or stronger, more focused, and more in control of your life? A clear intention made today can turn every moment into progress, even your rest, your work, your daily habits. Step 2. One small habit, the secret to consistency. Most people try to change everything at once, but in a few days they feel overwhelmed and give up. Instead, pick just one habit and commit to it. It could be one page of a book, one act of kindness. Even if you only do one thing consistently, you will finish this month feeling like a new person. Step 3. The 1% rule. Tiny steps, massive impact. If you improve just 1% every day, by the end of the month, you'll be 30 times better than when you started. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your life transforms. The opportunity of a lifetime. Think about this. What if this was your last chance to reset? Would you waste it, or would you make every second count? Every day is an opportunity, but not everyone takes it. Don't wait for motivation. Start today, even if it's just one step. This month is yours. Make it count.